Hello. I am Leo from Silken Mermaid Software. This video will show you how to make a heart photo collage like this. We will use FigrCollage software to make the collage. Details on how to get FigrCollage are in the description. First, open FigrCollage and select a size. We will use the freeform cell style for this heart collage. Set the cell placement to shape edges only. Select the heart shape. Reduce the number of cells to use. Let us add pictures to our collage. Generate the collage. Reduce the size of pictures in our collage. Let us refine the collage layout. Let us adjust the picture shadows. We will now add the names of people to the heart shape of our collage. Let us export this heart collage to a JPG image. Let's quickly view the exported JPG. Did you find this video helpful? Please like it and subscribe to our channel.